Text animation pack for Alight Motion. Let's see preview. All text animation presets download link is in the description. You can use them easily in your own projects. For more Alight Motion templates, click the left video, and for a full step-by-step tutorial, click the right video.